Good afternoon, everyone. It's Joel Hawk from MarineMax. Today we are showing you a 2025 Cruisers Yachts 34 GLS. Currently it's being rigged for the water. Stepping up on the transom of the boat, you notice the large swim platform. Rear facing seating. Coming up on the left there, you've got the nice galley. Makes your day on the water nice. Lots of seating. Beautiful hardtop. You got the co-captain. It's also has the ability to be reverse seating. Coming up to the captain seat, you've got the twin Simrads. The joystick. Beautiful seating. Walking up to the bow of the boat. Beautiful area for your passengers and friends. Come and see us. It's Joel Hawk at MarineMax.